Welcome to our series on charitable giving as an asset protection strategy. In today's video, we will dive into advanced strategies for maximizing asset protection through charitable giving. Charitable giving isn't just a way to support causes you care about, it can also be a powerful tool to safeguard your wealth. We'll explore practical steps and effective structures like donor-advised funds, charitable remainder trusts, and more. By integrating these strategies into your financial plan, you can achieve both philanthropic and asset protection goals. Let's get started on how you can leverage charitable giving to protect your assets while making a positive impact. Strategies for maximizing asset protection through charitable giving. Charitable giving can be a powerful tool for individuals seeking to protect their assets while also making a positive impact on society. By strategically incorporating charitable giving into your overall financial plan, you can not only benefit charitable causes but also enhance your asset protection strategy. Here are some key strategies to consider. 1. Donor-advised funds. One effective way to maximize asset protection through charitable giving is to establish a donor-advised fund. By contributing assets to a donor-advised fund, you can receive an immediate tax deduction while retaining advisory privileges over how the funds are distributed to charitable organizations. This structure allows you to protect your assets from potential creditors while still supporting causes you care about. Charitable remainder trusts. Another strategy for maximizing asset protection is to set up a charitable remainder trust, CRT. A CRT allows you to transfer assets to a trust, receive income from the trust for a specified period, and then have the remaining assets distributed to charity. By utilizing a CRT, you can protect your assets from creditors, while also benefiting from potential tax advantages. Gifts of appreciated assets. Donating appreciated assets such as stocks or real estate to charity can be a tax-efficient way to support charitable causes while potentially shielding your assets from creditors. By gifting appreciated assets, you may be able to avoid capital gains taxes on the appreciation while also receiving a charitable deduction for the full value of the asset. For life insurance. Life insurance can be a valuable tool for asset protection and charitable giving. By naming a charitable organization as the beneficiary of a life insurance policy, you can ensure that your assets will benefit the charity upon your passing, while also potentially protecting those assets from creditors during your lifetime. 5. Charitable lead trusts. In a charitable lead trust, CLT, assets are transferred to a trust that pays income to a charitable organization for a specified period, after which the remaining assets are distributed to non-charitable beneficiaries, such as family members. A CLT can be structured to provide asset protection benefits by shielding assets during the income payout period. 6. Charitable LLCs or partnerships. For individuals with significant assets, establishing a charitable limited liability company, LLC, or partnership can be a sophisticated strategy for combining asset protection and charitable giving. By structuring ownership of assets through a charitable entity, you can potentially shield those assets from creditors while also supporting charitable causes. Incorporating charitable giving into your asset protection strategy can provide both financial and philanthropic benefits. By leveraging various charitable giving vehicles and strategies, you can maximize asset protection while making a positive impact on the causes you care about. It is essential to work with a financial advisor or estate planning professional to tailor these strategies to your specific circumstances and goals. Case studies and real-life examples of successful charitable giving as an asset protection strategy. Charitable giving can be a powerful tool, not only for making a positive impact on society, but also for protecting assets. Below are some case studies and real-life examples showcasing successful charitable giving as an asset protection strategy. 1. The Smith Family Trust. Mr. and Mrs. Smith, a wealthy couple, established a family trust as part of their estate planning strategy. Concerned about protecting their assets from potential creditor claims and estate taxes, they decided to include a charitable giving component in the trust. By setting up a donor-advised fund within the trust, the Smiths were able to donate a portion of their assets to charitable causes of their choice while gaining immediate tax benefits. This not only reduced their taxable estate, but also shielded those assets from potential creditors. 2. The Johnson Foundation. The Johnson family owned a successful business that was vulnerable to legal disputes and lawsuits. To safeguard their wealth, they decided to create a private foundation as a charitable giving vehicle. By transferring a portion of their business assets to the foundation, the Johnsons were able to support charitable causes they were passionate about, while also reducing their exposure to personal liability. The foundation's assets were shielded from potential creditors. providing an added layer of protection for the family's wealth. 3. The Green Trust. Ms. Green, a high net worth individual, was concerned about protecting her assets in the event of a financial downturn or lawsuit. She decided to establish a Charitable Remainder Trust, CRT, as part of her estate plan. By funding the CRT with appreciating assets, Ms. Green was able to receive a stream of income for life, while also benefiting her favorite charity. The assets held in the CRT were protected from creditors, providing Ms. Green with a secure source of income and peace of mind. 4. The Patel Family Charitable LLC. The Patel family owned a diverse portfolio of real estate investments and other assets to mitigate risks associated with their investments and provide for future generations. They established a Charitable Limited Liability Company, LLC. By transferring a portion of their assets to the LLC and designating charitable beneficiaries, the Patels were able to protect those assets from potential lawsuits or creditors. The LLC's structure allowed for flexibility in charitable giving, while safeguarding the family's wealth for the long term. These case studies and real-life examples demonstrate how charitable giving can serve as an effective asset protection strategy for individuals and families seeking to preserve wealth, minimize taxes, and make a positive impact on society. By incorporating charitable giving into their estate planning and financial strategies, individuals can achieve both philanthropic goals and asset protection objectives. So, mitigating risks and potential challenges in the process. Mitigating risks and potential challenges in using charitable giving as an asset protection strategy is crucial to ensure the effectiveness of this approach. By proactively addressing these risks, individuals can maximize the benefits of their charitable contributions while safeguarding their assets. Below are some key considerations to help mitigate risks and challenges in the process. 1. Legal compliance. One of the primary risks of using charitable giving as an asset protection strategy is ensuring compliance with relevant laws and regulations. It is essential to work with legal professionals who specialize in estate planning and charitable giving to navigate the complex legal landscape. By carefully structuring charitable gifts and donations, individuals can minimize the risk of legal challenges and ensure that their assets are protected. 3. Due diligence. Conducting thorough due diligence on the charitable organizations you are considering supporting is essential to mitigate the risk of fraud or mismanagement. Verify the legitimacy and reputation of the charity, review their financial statements, and ensure that your donations will be used effectively to support the causes you care about. 3. Tax implications. Charitable giving can have significant tax benefits, but it is essential to understand the tax implications of your donations to maximize these benefits. Working with a tax advisor can help you navigate the tax rules related to charitable giving and ensure that you are taking full advantage of available tax deductions and incentives. 4. Asset protection strategies. While charitable giving can be an effective asset protection strategy, it is important to consider other complementary approaches to safeguard your assets. Diversifying your investments, establishing trusts, and purchasing adequate insurance coverage are additional measures that can help protect your wealth from unforeseen risks. 5. Family considerations. Involving your family members in the decision-making process regarding charitable giving and asset protection is crucial to ensure that everyone's interests are taken into account. Communicate openly with your loved ones about your intentions and involve them in creating a comprehensive estate plan that aligns with your family's values and goals. 6. Regular review and monitoring. Asset protection strategies, including charitable giving, should be regularly reviewed and adjusted to reflect changes in your financial situation, tax laws, and philanthropic goals. Periodically reassessing your giving plan and consulting with legal and financial advisors can help identify potential risks and opportunities for optimization. By carefully addressing these risks and challenges, individuals can effectively leverage charitable giving as an asset protection strategy to achieve their philanthropic goals while safeguarding their financial assets for future generations. Seeking professional guidance and staying informed about best practices in charitable giving and estate planning are essential steps in mitigating risks and maximizing the benefits of this approach. Incorporating charitable giving into your asset protection strategy can provide significant benefits, from tax advantages to safeguarding your wealth. By utilizing structures like donor-advised funds, charitable remainder trusts, and charitable lead trusts, you can maximize asset protection while supporting causes you care about. Remember, the key is to align your charitable goals with your financial strategy and seek professional guidance to navigate the complexities involved. Thank you for joining us in this video series. We hope you found these insights valuable and are inspired to explore charitable giving as a powerful tool for both philanthropy and asset protection. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out.